In this video, we'll introduce the different types of trading bots you can use on BTSE. On our platform, you can program bots with different parameters and strategies in order to reach different goals. There are 8 types of trading bots. If you're a beginner, you can start with Quick Start, Simple, and Dollar Cost Averaging, or DCA bots. Advanced users can program trades to respond to certain indicators. Let's start with simple bots. Step 1. Pick your asset. If you're bullish on a cryptocurrency and you want to bet on its price going up, you go long. If you're bearish, you go short. Here, we're going long on Bitcoin. Step 2. Enter your trade parameters. Type in how much you want to invest or short. Here, we're investing $1,000. If you want to set a limit order at a certain price, click Limit. If you're okay with the market price, click Market. Here, we're programming 3 market orders, with 50% invested in the base order and 25% in each of the extra orders. These orders will be spaced out with intervals of 1 day each, meaning that all 3 trades will be executed after 3 days. Step 3. Set your entry conditions. Here you can pick different technical indicators for your bot to respond to. We can table this section for the advanced tutorial. Step 4. Set your exit conditions. Here, you can program your bot to exit your position after you've made a certain profit. Here, we're setting it at 10%. You can also set a stop loss, meaning you can program your bot to exit your position after you lose a certain percentage. Here, we're setting it at 20.5%. Lastly, you can backtest your trading bot strategy over a certain period of time to see how it would have performed. Here it's showing performance over a 1-year period. As you can see, the performance is weak, so this means that you might want to adjust your parameters. Next, we go to DCA bots, or dollar cost averaging bots. Dollar cost averaging is a popular position building strategy deployed over a long period of time. Typically, traders use dollar cost averaging when they want to buy a little bit of an asset every day or week. Here, we're picking Bitcoin. Next, we're allocating a total of $2,000 and purchasing $100 worth of Bitcoin with every trade, every day at market price. This means that you're buying $2,000 worth of Bitcoin over the course of 20 days, at the average market price of those 20 days. Lastly, you can also set up certain exit conditions to stop the bot once your profits go up or down a certain amount. If you backtest this strategy, you'll see that you'd have made a 160% return. For part 2 of our tutorial, stay tuned.